Hi guys, je m'appelle Ludovic Dieumegard, I'm the head chef at the Harbourmaster. The dish gonna be a roasted lamb shank with razzle hanout, and we're gonna do a warm couscous salad with it and pomegranate. So, hang in there. So quite simply now, lamb shank goes in a bowl. I find it easier to season it in a bowl. It'll be more even, we can rub the shank in it, it'll be nice. Mixed spice, so the razzle hanout. So I'm just rubbing my lamb with the spices in a bowl, so like that. I don't mess up my chopping board, I don't mess up the way top. So I'm just gonna color it, seal it if you prefer, on every side. And not too much because we don't want to burn the spices. See, we've got a nice color. It goes quickly if your pan is hot. And now I've got color all over my lamb. I'm just gonna put a little bit of water, the lid on top of it, and we're going to the oven at 110 degrees for about 5 hours. And the lamb will be ready and we'll finish the dish. Now, just to finish the dish, I've got a little bit of spring onion, finely chopped, a little bit of fresh mint. The mint, you don't need to pick the leaves. You can leave them on the stalk because the stalk is nice and soft. And coriander. Coriander. I'm a big fan of coriander, me. Then 5 hours later, our Welsh Lamb is ready. After 4 hours though, what I did, I just added a stock cube to it, took the lid off, so like that my juice is reduced, and the lamb is unbelievable now. There you go, now we're ready to finish the dish. We're just gonna plate it. Our wonderful couscous, it's nice and fluffy, just on the side of the dish. Now I'm just finishing it with my green, so a bit of coriander, bit of the fresh mint, spring onion. I just love spring onion. You can't have lamb without mint sauce. So here what I've done, I just took natural yogurt, a little bit of mint sauce, and I'm just dabbing it here and there. It's just a little pocket of flavour. And now, the last touch, just a pomegranate, nice and loose. So there'll be just a little pocket of juice, you know. And if you want, you can put a little bit more of the juices, as much or as little as you want. Because we've got them, we may as well use them. There we go, my Welsh lamb shank, locally sourced, with warm couscous salad, Moroccan influence. We've got razzle hanout, minted yogurt, pomegranate. Bon appetit.